Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best 3D pen. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Atmos Flare 3D Pen. Creating 3D structures from your imagination might seem like such a futuristic thing that exists only in movies, but it's not. With the Atmos Flare 3D pen set, you can get this done easily and without stress. The Atmos Flare 3D pen set brings your imagination to life effortlessly. It features a blue LED light and a spot of special ink, both of which allow you to draw and sculpt 3D objects in mid-air. With the Atmos Flare pen set, you can make 3D renditions of nature, animals, objects, and others. You can draw on flat or curved surfaces, non-sticky textured materials, even objects like coins or buttons for cool effects. You can also thicken lines and shapes and create texture by drawing over your finished work and curing it by shining light on your art. Number 7 in my list is Mynt Super 3D Pen. Take your creativity to a whole new level thanks to this new and improved, almost clog-proof 3D pen. The latest artistic tool from NYNT 3D, this Super 3D pen is packed with features you'll love and which will inspire and elevate your drawings and designs. It's suitable for kids just starting out with design to engineers looking to create 3D models. Featuring a stepless speed glider, it's a joy to use, providing clean and accurate, precise results, thanks to an evenly regulated ink flow. Talking of which, you can also use the temperature adjustment screw to quickly and conveniently switch between using ABS and PLA color filaments. This slimline and ergonomically designed 3D pen couldn't be easier to use. Plus, you also get access to extensive online tutorials to help fire up the imagination. It uses the same gearbox and replaceable nozzle design as the brand's Pro3D pen, but without the OLED display. Just check instead for the red flashing light to change to red, which denotes that the heating mode is ready for use. Number 6 in my list is Scrib 3D Printing Pen. If you've been shopping for a 3D pen, you'll notice that there are a lot of choices out there outside of our 8 picks. One of the best out there is the Advanced 3D Printing Pen from Scrib 3D. While some won't look further than the pen's compatibility with both ABS and PLA filaments, we urge you to look deeper into one of the most versatile pens out there. To start with, unlike other pens out there, the Advanced Pen from Scrib 3D provides you with full control over the temperature. Simply adjust the temperature with the buttons on either side of the pen's LCD screen. The pen also offers users speed control, which is important for large areas or creating minute details, with an ergonomic design that gives you a comfortable feeling during use. All of the pen's controls are well placed to keep making adjustments from being awkward. With a plastic construction and ceramic nozzle, you can use the Advanced 3D pen to create your own masterpieces. Number 5 in my list is Mynt Junior2 3D Pen. The American company NYNT 3D offers a diverse range of products, including 3D pens, materials, accessories, and spare parts. Among their offerings is the Junior 2, a specially designed pen for children. With an ergonomic design and a low-temperature nozzle to prevent burns, it ensures safety for young users. The 3D pen is compatible with standard 1.75mm PCL filaments, operates on batteries, and features a USB port for charging. It comes with an instruction manual, a USB cable, and 3 rolls of filament, providing everything needed for creative fun and entertainment. Its compact size is perfect for smaller children's hands, allowing them to explore their creativity for hours on end. Number 4 in my list is Pik A Pro 3D Printing Pen. The pen itself is packed with features, variable feed speed, adjustable temperature, and even an OLED display. The accompanying kit has pretty much everything you would need and includes 12 meters of PLA refills in 4 colors. There's also a manual with a stencil guide so you can get straight into it. However, the overall quality of this 3D pen leaves a lot to be desired. Swapping filaments can be cumbersome, and the general results of printing aren't as impressive as our other 3D pen reviews. Still, for an affordably priced entry point into 3D printing, the Pik A 3D Super is a strong contender. Number 3 in my list is Doodler Start Plus Essentials 3D Pen. Among the pens we gravitated towards, the Mynt 3D Professional Printing 3D Pen is easily the most well-equipped to handle more complex creations, notably those incorporating vertical elements and intricate patterns. Similarly, it ranks alongside the Doodler Create Plus in delivering a consistent printing experience free of any clogging problems. In that sense, it is most suited to users who want to take handheld printing a bit more seriously and use a pen as an artistic tool rather than as the centerpiece of a fun, creative activity. The kit comes with 3 colors of PLA plastic filament, AC adapter, and an ergonomic pen. A speed slider allows you to regulate the rate at which the filament comes out of the pen, perfect for juggling details and thicker, structurally crucial lines of material. Alongside, 2 buttons adjust the temperature in 1-degree increments from a low of 130 degrees to a maximum of 230 degrees. An OLED display mounted on the side of the pen displays the nozzle temperature and suggested material type. A slightly gimmicky addition at first glance, but one that proves beneficial for monitoring. Number 2 in my list is Mynt Professional Printing 3D Pen. Next, we have the NYNT 3D Professional Printing 3D Pen. As far as my experience is concerned with this 3D pen, I personally find this extremely satisfying and easy to use. 3D pens are supposed to be lightweight in order to ensure proper ergonomics and an easy using experience. You do not want a 3D pen that is heavy and cannot be used properly because of that. As far as the ergonomics are concerned, this pen is not easy to beat thanks to the lightweight and solid construction, as well as the shape of the pen itself. The pen also comes with a small OLED screen that displays various modes that you might want to use on the 3D pen. While most users might consider this as a gimmick and nothing more, I think it is a nice addition and should make its way into more 3D pens in the future. The pen also allows you to adjust the speed as well as the temperature to ensure proper control over how the plastic is melted. Number 1 in my list is Doodler Create Plus 3D Printing Pen. The Leo Evo 3D Doodler pen claims that it is made for both professionals and kids, which basically means that while it does provide you with a lot of advanced features that would be appreciated by professionals and adults like speed and temperature adjustment, it also has a variety of features that cater to kids like doodle templates and a variety of colorful filaments that come with it. I was not sure how it is possible to cater to 2 completely different audiences at the same time, so I was really excited to test this product. Looking at the packaging, the pen does not really look like something you would get for an adult, but let's not judge a book by its cover, or in this case, a pen by its box. Taking the contents out of the box, you've got the pen, some filaments, and some templates that will make your user experience much easier, or at least the user experience of your child. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.